Hey everyone, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut off your iPhone in a few different ways, and then of course turn it back on. So let's get started. To shut off your iPhone, first thing is you're going to use the buttons, which might be the easiest. So in order to do that, you're going to locate either the volume up or volume down button here, and then this side button. So we need to hold either the volume up or volume down along with this big side button simultaneously for about a few seconds. So if I press and hold them together, a menu like this will pop up where I can just simply slide to shut it off, where it says slide to power off. Now, if you don't want to use the buttons or it's not working that way, another way you can do is going into your setting on your iPhone and then going to general and then scroll down here where it says shut down. Same exact menu will pop up where you can simply slide to shut it off completely. Now, third method works if you have Siri turned on. So in your settings, you can verify that you have Siri or Hey Siri turned on, or the side button, and then you'll activate Siri to basically shut off your iPhone. So you can issue a command, something like this: Hey Siri, shut off my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And just like that, a Siri can also take a command to shut off your iPhone. And if you want to turn it back on, simply just hold on, this time just only this button here, until you see the Apple logo appear. As you can see here, I'm pressing and holding for a few seconds. Apple logo appears, I let go. Now if that isn't working, you can connect it to a charger like you normally would to charge the iPhone. And if it's turned off, the iPhone is automatically going to turn back on, just like that. And now you have basically shut off and turn back on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.